This product has been the best product I've ever used, and I wish I had known about it 30 years ago. Here on the windows, they've had 72 leaks, and this building is 35 years old. It was very bad condition. Every silicon seal, there was broken glass. Every silicon seal was split and torn. The glazers had re-siliconed it, but failed after 2 years, until we've come along and used simple seal and eliminated every single water leak. The installation of the product is very easy, clean, and simple to use. From underneath, you can look up and just see a nice straight dark line. And when people do look up, they wouldn't even know it's simple seal. I've found over the years that Tremco have been very supportive. Their supervisors have come on site when we've had issues. If we need extra products or different products, they've been very supportive. They've been on time. Their supervisors have been very punctual. They've come out on site and helped us out tremendously. And by using this product, Simple Seal, it has eliminated every single water leak downstairs. It's watertight, waterproof, best product I've ever used.